Can an executor be removed after letters testamentary are issued? Imagine you are waiting for someone to handle a loved one's estate, and suddenly you hear they might be removed as the executor. It can be confusing, right? Let's clarify how this process works. When someone passes away, the court issues letters testamentary to the person named in the will as the executor. These letters give them legal authority to manage the estate. But that authority is not set in stone. It can be challenged and even revoked. Yes, an executor can be removed after letters testamentary are issued, but it's not easy. The court will only do so if there are serious reasons. Only people with a direct interest in the estate, like beneficiaries or creditors, can ask for the removal. They need to show that the executor's actions are harming the estate or its beneficiaries. Common reasons for removal include theft or embezzlement of estate assets, mismanagement, or neglect. If the executor is not being transparent about estate finances or is breaching their fiduciary duty, that can be grounds for removal. Also, if the executor becomes physically or mentally unable to perform their duties, the court might step in. The process begins when someone files a formal request or motion with the probate court. The court then reviews the evidence and may hold a hearing. The executor will usually be notified and can respond to the allegations. But if the court finds clear evidence of misconduct or incapacity, it can decide to remove the executor. The court's main goal is to protect the estate and ensure it is managed properly. Once an executor is removed, the court can appoint a new one, often a co-executor named in the will or a neutral third party. This could be a professional fiduciary or an attorney. It's important for beneficiaries to stay involved and monitor the estate's progress. They can request an accounting from the executor or even petition for removal if they suspect mismanagement. Executors should always act with transparency, loyalty, and respect for the will's instructions to avoid removal. So, while letters testamentary give the executor authority, that power is not unlimited. The court can step in and remove an executor if serious issues arise. This process helps keep the estate safe and ensures the wishes of the deceased are carried out properly.